I'm one of 6 owners of the cooperative at Wild Dog Creek. It's called Binnawee, just 5 minutes drive from Apollo Bay in the Otways. We found out about the CCMA federal initiative, the Wild Otways grant, and we realised that we had the chance to revegetate the creek. I see it as an important part of the river in terms of the whole length of the river, although we've only replanted 1.1 kilometres. I see what the feral animals and the cattle are doing as degrading, eroding and spoiling. We started by doing a trial planting because we'd never planted the creek before, so we really didn't know. We worked very closely with our suppliers, Otways greening and fern fonds propagation, and the trial gave us some idea of what species were more likely to work. And then a year later we planted 3,800 shrubs of 8 different species and 500 ferns, some of them tree ferns, some of them ground ferns. It's a hell of a big job, but we managed with the help of children and grandchildren and university friends to do the whole thing over about a 2-week period. We've included 69 myrtle beeches, so I'm hoping to come back in 400 years' time and see rainforest. Now it's just possible I won't manage that, but we've started it. We would expect to have to put some more, maybe 100 or 200 extra plants in every year and knock the weeds back. And we just see it as taking it back to where it should be.